In this video, we'll be seeing the input and output characteristics of a common emitter configuration. So in this circuit diagram, since it's a common emitter, the emitter is grounded. VBE and VCE are 2 voltmeters and we are having IB and IC. We are taking 2 ammeters and 2 voltmeters to measure the input and output currents and voltages respectively. We'll take 2 power supplies and two resistance, each of 1 kilo ohm. So go into the circuit. So firstly, let's come from the left side. So RPS positive is connected to the resistance. I'll close the circuit diagram for now. I would prefer you to see in the observation books. So first, voltage positive is connected to 100 kilo ohm resistor. Let's change this to 100 ohm. So for 100 kilo ohm, the color coding is brown, black, yellow. And I'll make this red. And then the other side is connected to the ammeter. So ammeter positive, it's connected to ammeter positive. Yeah. And then ammeter negative is connected to base of the transistor. So let's see where is the base. This is the base, collector and emitter. Okay. So we place it over here. But we want the emitter to be on the left side. So I'll just rotate it. This should work. Yeah. So now the negative of the ammeter is connected to the base of the transistor. So this is the base. I'll take one from here and connect it to the negative. Okay. Next the junction between ammeter and base is connected to voltage positive. So I cannot see it here. Yeah. Now this should be connected to voltage positive. So this is the voltmeter and voltmeter positive. Let me change this to red. Okay. And voltage negative is grounded. It is grounded. Okay. Next, we'll okay. So we'll finish the first half of the circuit. That is this part. So from RPS positive to 100 kilo ohm. From there, we did to the positive of ammeter, and then from the negative, we connected it to the base. In this junction, we connected it to the voltmeter positive, and the negative, we connected it to the ground. So this part of the circuit is done. Next, here we are supposed to connect the emitter to the ground. So we'll finish that. Emitter, where's our emitter? Emitter is here. Emitter should be connected to the ground. The first 5 are the same and the second 5 are different. So make sure you're connecting in the same first 5. Okay. So emitter is connected to the ground. Next, collector is connected to ammeter negative. Okay, so first let's name our ammeters. This one as IB and this one as VB. Let's do that first to avoid any confusion. So this is, what's this? This is IB. I'll name it IB. And this one is VB. Okay, nice. And now we have to connect collector to ammeter. Okay, so collector to ammeter. So we'll name this IC and we'll connect it to the collector. So this is connected to negative. So the collector is connected to the negative of ammeter. I know the circuit might look a little messy, but yeah, that's how it is. I'll change this to black. And then positive is connected to 1 kilo ohm resistor. So let me connect it to 1 kilo ohm resistor. Okay, no, okay, yes. And I'll turn this into red. And the other part of the resistor is connected to the RPS positive. And after that, the RPS negative is grounded. So let me do this. RPS positive. RPS positive. And then the negative is grounded. So now what are we left with? We are left with voltmeter and the first RPS. So once I finish grounding this, we can do that. Yeah. Now voltmeter. So here VC is connected in the junction of collector and ammeter. So we have to take a line between this and connect it to the voltmeter positive, and then the negative should be grounded. So let's do that. Collector. Where is collector here? So collector to voltmeter positive. So let's come down. To voltmeter positive, and negative should be grounded. Let's ground straight here. And then what are we left with? Okay, RPS. RPS, the negative part is grounded. That's it. We are done with the circuit. I'll ground it.